Today, we'll introduce the network camera component in Kinco's HMI software. This feature allows you to display real-time video feeds from IP cameras via the Ethernet port, making it ideal for industrial on-site monitoring. To begin with, please note that this feature is only supported on G2 and F2 series capacitive models. It does not support offline simulation or standalone desktop operation. When selecting a camera, make sure to use a network camera that complies with the ONVIF standard. The video encoding format must be H.264. The network camera must be connected within a local area network. External network access is not supported. While you can place multiple camera components in the project, only one camera feed can be displayed at a time. Additionally, when switching between pages, all camera feeds on the current page will be automatically closed. When returning to the page, the system will automatically reconnect to the previously active camera feed. The network camera component supports both static and dynamic settings. Let's start with the dynamic configuration of the camera interface. The RTSP address is used to specify the exact location of the network camera, allowing the HMI to connect and display the real-time video feed. If you manually input the RTSP address, you can enable the address input option. The IP address field cannot be left empty and supports dynamic string variables. If you want your camera to be detected on the local network, you can enable address scanning. This allows the system to scan the LAN for available network cameras. The scan results are stored in a string array, with each element containing a detected camera IP address. To control scanning, output, and display, you can use associated variables. Once the display is enabled, the system connects to the selected camera and shows the video feed. For the static setting, you can directly select the camera interface and manually assign the RTSP address without using dynamic variables. The default username and password are set. If either field is left blank, a warning sign will appear. Anonymous access is disabled by default. The camera can be accessed without a password when it's enabled. The open control cannot be unchecked and appears as a toolbar control. Clicking it once will enable the video feed. Clicking again will disable it. Once enabled, the system connects to the target IP device and displays the corresponding video stream. Connection status is disabled by default. When enabled, it displays the device's connection status and can be linked to a custom and signed variable. When enabled, the status display will update based on the actual connection state. If the connection fails, the system will show a disconnected status. When zoom control is enabled, clicking the component will make the video full screen. Finally, let's move on to a live demonstration of the network camera in action. That's all for the webcam function. Thanks for watching.